On May 26, 2025, an officer initiated a traffic stop after noticing a vehicle being driven erratically, but the driver's behavior quickly raised more questions. As officers spoke with her, everything about the situation became more suspicious, turning a simple traffic stop into something far more serious.
Let them know we're just north of Libby on the west side of the road. We'll see our patrol cars.
I'm just gonna set these up here, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Let me ask you this. How much have you had to drink today?
I haven't at all.
Nothing to drink at all?
Nothing. I worked last night. So.
Okay. Well, the reason why I ask is I can smell it coming from your car and from you. So I'm just looking for you to be honest with me.
Can you advise for injury?
Okay. You didn't drink at all last night? This morning?
No, I got off at 7 a.m. and I went to the Mayakachi Park and I went and I walked for a little bit and that's it. I was going home right now.
So you went, what time did you go to the park this morning?
I left work about 7 a.m. so then I got there probably around 8. I'm so sorry.
That's okay. Where do you work?
I am an RN at
Where at?
Brookdale.
Brookdale?
In PGI.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. And so you left this morning about 7 from your job.
Yeah.
And then you went straight to the park, or did you go home?
No, I went home so I could change, obviously. Okay. And then I fed my dogs and everything. And then I went to the Mayakachi. I can't even
Mayakahachi?
Mayakachi, whatever, park. And yeah, that was about it. Okay. I went for about an hour and I was on my way home. I'm sorry, I didn't realize that I...
Yeah, so what happened was I was in behind you.
Okay.
You know, pretty much from Eldron on Price.
Sorry. Yeah.
I'm sorry, on Salford, all the way here, and you're all over the road.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
So you were crossing the center line. The reason why I stopped you all the way back here is you actually drove off the roadway a couple times back here.
I'm sorry. Okay. Yeah, because...
You say that you have not been drinking?
I have not been drinking.
Okay.
No.
What about anything else? Any medications, anything like that? Any other type of drugs or anything?
No, nothing.
Okay.
Nope.
So how come I'm smelling like it smells like you've been drinking? That's why I'm asking. I mean, it's not against the law to drink. I'm just trying to find out, is that part of the reason why you might be driving all over the roadway?
No, I was honestly on the phone with my boyfriend.
Okay.
So I'm sorry.
Okay.
Like, if you want to test me and like do the little side, I don't know.
Okay. All right. Well, do me a favor. I'm going to give you this back. I've got your license, registration, and your insurance here. I'm going to go back and look at this number right with you, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I get behind her around Eldron and Salford, and as she's driving, she's bouncing from center line to shoulder, center line to shoulder. When we were right before the curve up here, she actually drove off the road into the grass.
Oh, wow.
And then down in here, she drove off into the road, the grass again.
Okay.
So I come up to her, slurred speech.
Okay.
She's saying she's not drank anything, strong odor of perfume coming out of the car.
Okay.
And I got a hint of alcohol.
Okay.
You know, coming from her breath. But slurred speech, like textbook. She's giving me, like, I asked for a license. She's trying to, she has no idea what I'm asking for. She's fumbling around. She actually gave me her wallet that she keeps like her registration in and stuff in the glove box. Yeah. She thinks that that's her wallet from her purse.
1 Edward 11, 1 Edward 14.
It's just one of those that the cues are there.
Yeah. I got you. I'll run her.
Just know that you like your signal.
I'll run her through.
Okay.
Yeah. Have you had any hip injuries, knee injuries, ankle injuries that would prevent you from walking?
No.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you come back here a little bit, okay? All right. Obviously, we don't have a straight line, okay?
Right.
What's your level of education?
I have a master's.
Okay. Do you know what a straight line looks like?
I think I do. Yes.
It's a yes or no.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to have you stand like this with your feet together, okay? And then I'm going to read you the instructions of the exercise, okay? Put your hands down by your side for a sec.
Okay.
Okay. So imagining this is a straight line as best you can, okay?
Okay.
You're gonna put your left foot on the line, then place your right foot on the line ahead of your left with your heel of your right foot against the toe to the left and keep your arms down by your side. This is the starting position.
Yeah.
So put your left foot down and your right foot out, with the heel touching the toe and your arms down by your side for me. Okay? Stay in this position and while I explain the exercise to you, okay?
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, I do.
Okay. So let's get back in that position and stay in that position.
Okay.
Do not start until I tell you to do so. Do you understand?
I do.
When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps on the line. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you understand?
I do.
Okay. When I tell you, you're going to turn around, keeping 1 foot on the line, and return 9 steps. You're going to take a series of small steps and return back to this position that you started at. Okay? And you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back. Okay. Like this. 1,
This is so fucking weird.
2, 3, all the way to 9. Okay? Do you understand that?
Yes.
Keep your arms down by your sides at all times. You're going to watch your feet, and you're going to count each step out loud.
Okay.
Once walking begins, do not stop until you've completed the test.
Okay.
Do you understand these instructions?
Yes, I do, but you're already gonna arrest me, aren't you?
No, I'm just trying to see how you are during the exercises to make sure you're okay to drive. That's all. So remember what I said. Down by your side. Okay. Do you understand the instructions that I've given you?
Yes.
Okay. You may begin the exercise.
You said 10 or 12? And you're not gonna tell me? I said okay. I wasn't sure how long you wanted me to go.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
All right. We can go on to the next exercise, okay?
Oh, I did terrible. Okay.
So, again, asking you, are there any problems with your hips, knees, ankles, or feet that would prevent you from standing on either foot for more than a period of 30 seconds?
No.
Okay. For this position, I want you to put your feet together, arms down by your side. Okay? Do not start until I tell you to begin. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, when I tell you to start, I want you to raise one leg. Either leg you can choose.
Fine.
Okay? Approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot pointed out, both legs straight.
Okay.
Look at the elevated foot and count out loud in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, until I tell you to stop. I'm going to demonstrate, okay? Do you understand that exercise?
Yeah, I'm
okay.
trying.
Okay, so keep your arms down by your side. Okay. You may begin the exercise.
How long are you doing it for? Oh, 6 seconds. Okay. Shit. I swear I'm not drunk. It's just you make me nervous as fuck.
Okay, you can relax.
Jesus.
Alrighty. We'll come back here real quick to my car. Do you take any prescription medications?
I take many.
Okay. Face towards my car, please. Okay. Can be placed under arrest for DUI, okay? Do you have anything on you that's illegal? Okay. Would you be willing to provide a breath sample at the jail?
Yeah, why not?
Okay. I gotta have a female come and search you, okay? Right. We're gonna come over here, I'll let you sit down for a sec, but I'm gonna keep the door open and I'll turn the air on. Did you request a female? What? Did you request a female for search? Oh, thank you. Careful, 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 careful. Sit down. Okay. Let me turn on the air for you, okay? Have you ever had your rights read to you before?
Yes.
Okay, when?
When I was gotten arrested before.
For what?
A DUI. Jesus.
Okay.
And I'm not even drunk. It's
okay. Well, this is where I want to go. This is what I'm trying to figure out, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be against the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can afford a hired attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
yeah.
Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk about what's going on today?
No.
No? Okay.
Wait.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Yeah.
But I just don't understand what happened. I'm not.
Well, that's
even
what I tried
drunk.
to. That's what I tried to ask you.
I'm
Why?
not even drunk.
Well, that's
at all.
what I'm trying to interview about, but you just said no. You don't want to talk.
Because it's all. A
So
fake
I'm gonna.
thing. That's what it is.
I'm gonna read it one more time to you, and if you say no, then no. If you say yes, then we'll talk about why you think you're not drunk. Okay?
Then yes, yes.
Let me read it one more
yes.
time, just so
Yes.
you understand, ma'am, okay? I'm not trying to give you a hard time. Listen, I'm just going to read this to you, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used against the court of law. You have the right to talk to an attorney and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you before and question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights?
Yes, I do.
Do you want to talk to me about today's drive?
Yes, I
Okay.
do.
All right. So, you take medications.
Yes.
Okay, when's the last time you take your medications?
I took it last night before work. I take it before work and then before bed.
Okay.
Because I have.
Okay, you didn't drink anything today?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I did not.
Okay.
I cannot actually Like
Okay.
I would die if I drank.
Okay.
So that's kind of weird.
Okay. When was your last DUI?
I was like 18, and I don't even want to talk about it. It's so
Okay.
embarrassing.
So how many medications do you approximately take?
I take.
Are any of these are you supposed to be driving?
Am I supposed to be driving?
When you take these medications, does some medicines or prescriptions, as a nurse you should know, it'll say you're not allowed, you should not be driving while taking this.
What am I supposed to do? Just like have an anxiety attack while driving? I don't understand.
Well, I'm not sure. I'm not a doctor and I'm not a nurse. That's why
exactly. So
I'm asking. But when I get prescribed medications, right? Certain medications like hydrocodone, if I were to get prescribed that, or oxys or perks, you're not supposed to be driving while taking those.
Yeah, I don't get.
So that's my question.
Not anything close to that. So.
The medicine, I'm asking you, are you supposed to be driving or not when you take them?
It says, but that says with every.
It's a yes or a no.
Listen.
Yes or
no.
no.
But it's in every medication that you take.
Yes
it's like yes, you cannot take medication while you're driving.
Okay.
That's with every medication because they have to say that for their own.
Okay.
For their own.
So where were you going?
I told you, I think I went to the Mayakachi, I can't even say it, to the park, and I walked for about 2 miles, and then I literally am on my way home. I would have been home in about 2 minutes, but here we are.
Okay.
Oh, God. Dude.
Where were you coming from?
I'm gonna lose my license. I was literally coming from the Mayakachi park, whatever.
Okay.
Like, I don't know.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm just trying to figure it out because that, based on the exercises and your driving pattern, ma'am, shouldn't be behind a wheel.
Driving pattern.
You ran off the roadway twice. My sergeant watched you touching the lines and then go off into the grass twice.
Going off in the drafts.
In the grass.
That's a little bit dramatic. I did not
How is that
do
dramatic?
I did not do that.
It's everything we do is recorded. Why would he lie about that?
Okay, well maybe he didn't lie, but like I was like maybe looking at my phone to change the music or something. Like we don't need to be this dramatic.
Well, it is because
Yeah.
you just saw the children on the bikes, right?
Yes.
When we were doing the
I
exercise?
always go 20 miles per hour.
Well, I'm saying, what if
Why?
you were touching that
And
grass and
I
they drove
would
by?
never,
But that's
and
what
I
I'm
would
saying.
never.
But your exercises that we performed is giving me reason to see that there's something going on. That's why you'll have an opportunity to take a breath test or provide urine or blood. This is where we're at. Empty wine bottles, liquor. That's just so far. So.
She was charged with driving under the influence. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.